Hey guys, this is Ishan and you're watching Overloaded. So let's get started. So today I'm going to tell you how to install the VM Virtual Box. So just go to Chrome, search for Virtual Box, then just press the first link virtualbox.org. So press on download VirtualBox 6.0. So here we have to download the VirtualBox 6.0.4 platform packages. So here Windows host, just click on it. So it will start downloading. I have the file, so I am cancelling the download. So I so we have the file in my download folder, VirtualBox. So it will open this setup, VirtualBox setup. Just click on next. Then here we have the option to choose our install directory. So I will not be changing it. I want to install in this directory. You can change from the browse button. So here you can change the directory, or we have the options. See this. So I will be installing in this directory. So just press next. Then we have this four options: start menu entries, shortcut on desktop, shortcut in quick launch bar, and register file associates. I will be keeping all of this on and pressing the next button. So just install the network interfaces, but it will reset your network connection temporarily or disconnect for you from the network. Just press yes. Ready to install. Just press the install button. So just press the yes button on the UAC window and it will start installing this. So here install, this also install, this also install. So we have installed VirtualBox 6.0.4 successfully. So let's get started by making a virtual machine. To install VirtualBox was very easy task, but we have to make a virtual machine now. So just press on new, create virtual machine, name your virtual machine. I will be naming it as Windows 10 x64 malware, because I will be malware testing on this machine. So I will not be making this machine in this area. I will be choosing another drive, D drive. So where it is virtual machine folder. This folder here I will be making my virtual machines. So see this, here I can change my directory. So it will be automatically detecting if you are naming like that, but you should change this if it is not the correct version or type. Next. So now I will be changing this. I want 4096 MBs of RAM. So I will be making a virtual hard drive now. So 50 gigs of hard drive storage. Create a virtual hard disk now. Yes, I will be creating that. Create VirtualBox disk image, virtual hard drive, virtual machine disk. So I will be choosing VDI, VirtualBox Disk Image. Next, fixed size. I don't want to increase the size of that hard drive. Next, virtual drive 1. So 50 GBs. I will be changing its location. So let's go in the D drive, and here new folder, virtual hard drive. So just open, save. So create. It will be creating it. Creating fixed size, medium storage. So it will be taking 3 minutes. The hard drive partition is over. Now we can set our virtual machine settings. So settings. So here comes our virtual machine settings. So general, Windows, name. Here we have things. So this is the snapshot folder and shared clipboard and other thing. Drag and drop. This is disabled. Actually, I will be testing malware on this, so this should be disabled. Description, disk encryption, nothing. System 4096 MB of RAM because I have 8 gigs of RAM. And boot order, it will be, I will be removing the floppy disk first of all, optical, then hard drive. USB tablet. So you can enable EFI or UEFI for if you want to test something on UEFI system, like some ransomwares, like I don't know the pronunciation, but I call it as Petya. This is the spelling for that. So that ransomware should not work on that UEFI system. So I don't know about that. Processor. I will be setting it to 2 processor. Sorry, I think this is processor. I was thinking that it would be core. So let it be like that. Acceleration, let it be like that. Display. Just switch it to maximum and enable 3D acceleration, video acceleration, and remote display, recording, nothing. Storage, we have the hard drive here. We don't have to change anything here. Intel HD audio, let it be like that. Windows Direct Sound. Now network, let it be like that. But I will be testing malware, so I will be disabling the network adapter for this machine. Serial port, let it be like that. USB, I will be disabling this. Shared folders, I will be adding one from here. So new folders. So I will be make it as read only auto mount, and folder path, D drive, select folder. Shared folder, sorry. Again shared folder. So after this, user interface, let it be like that. I don't know about that. Okay, so we did this. Now we can install Windows on this. So that's a long process. I will not be telling about that. So just start that virtual machine. Start. So I started this one. So here it asks for startup disk. So here just choose it. I have the Windows 10 file, ISO file. Just so I am choosing this. Start. So I will be installing Windows on this. So I will be telling you guys how to actually install the drivers for VirtualBox. So guys, we have our virtual machine uh, set it up, and we have installed Windows in the virtual machine. So just we have to install drivers in this virtual machine. So to do this, just press on input, sorry, devices. It is devices. Then insert guest addition CD image. So just full screen it. View full screen. So just go to this PC, and we have this image. Lol, that was, I don't know what was that. We can access the BIOS. So guys, we have our virtual machine set it up. I don't know why it's on this resolution. Let's go to system configuration. Yeah, it did. I don't know what was the cause of that. Yes, it did. So, okay, 100% CPU usage, that's all. So, you can use that virtual machine to do anything what you want. I, I will be using for malware testing on this machine. So, thanks for watching, guys. This is it. Please subscribe, like, and comment in the comment section below.